The state and federal government cited a Lawrence mental health facility following a WRTV investigation into its healthcare practices. Former patients accuse Options Behavioral Health of holding them against their will and operating, quote, like a prison. WRTV Investigates Kara Kenny has been digging into that inspection report and explains why it's important.
This inspection report is significant because it's the first government investigation into Options Behavioral Health since disturbing allegations came to light in fall of 2024. The mental health facility is facing 10 pending lawsuits, and state inspectors' findings support what many former patients have been saying.
We've taken a lot of action. That's just like when you hurt my child, then I have no choice but to fight back.
Frankfurt father Craig Inman filed a complaint with the Indiana Department of Health in October. That's when we first introduced you to Craig.
I don't want them to get away with this again.
He filed a lawsuit alleging Options staff sedated his daughter with the shot, causing her to sleep for many hours and held her against her will without medical basis.
This is a 13-year-old little girl who was suicidal, went to a hospital for help, and got tortured and held hostage.
Records show inspectors with the Indiana Department of Health working in conjunction with CMS, the Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services, visited Options on November 21st, 22nd, and 25th. That was a few weeks after our initial investigation raised questions about how patients are treated.
They should not be able to do this to children.
Inspectors found multiple violations, including improper restraint and seclusion on Craig's daughter. The state noted the facility sedated her, but failed to show they tried less restrictive methods, such as verbal de-escalating, relaxation activity, voluntary timeout, redirection, or distraction.
It substantiates our report.
Inspectors also cited Options for not protecting patient rights, calling it a systemic problem. They also criticized the facility for improper supervision and not documenting incident reports for patient assault, physical confrontation, and chemical restraint, also known as sedation. In an interview on November 22nd, Options Director of Quality confirmed they did not complete assault or restraint incident reports for Craig's daughter, but should have.
What stood out to you about this report?
Paperwork and how they handled themselves, and then they say that they're professionals.
The state says Options Behavioral Health submitted a plan of correction that identifies how they will fix the problems. The letter from IDOH to the Inmans says they will continue to monitor compliance.
Is that enough for you?
No, the red flag has been raised. When you hurt my family, and that's not even including all the other innocent people that have been hurt as well. There's zero accountability still. Like, I haven't seen a single bit of accountability from Acadia.
Acadia Healthcare is the parent company of Options Behavioral Health. WRTV Investigates contacted them about this inspection report. A spokesperson told us, while we cannot discuss specific patient situations due to patient privacy laws, the dignity and well-being of our patients is at the center of all we do, and we have a zero-tolerance policy for behavior that could endanger our patients and staff. As is our protocol, Options actively collaborates with our regulators to ensure ongoing compliance with regulatory and clinical care requirements. Craig Inman says his daughter still struggles with what happened at Options Behavioral Health.
They're still open. They didn't get in any trouble.
The Indiana Department of Health posts inspection reports online for healthcare facilities, but the one we've been telling you about isn't there yet.
Do you think the state should post this online?
Definitely.
We asked IDOH and CMS about why the report is not published online, and we are still waiting for an explanation.
The state taking a more active role so that these companies can't come in here and do this to their own citizens. Like, this is crazy in America.
Craig says the Indiana Attorney General's office contacted him and they're investigating. The AG's office tells us we are aware of complaints regarding Options Behavioral Health and are making the appropriate inquiries.
So there's hopefully a lot more to come.
To look up inspection reports for healthcare facilities, you can look at the link that we've created on our website. But keep in mind, another state agency, FSSA, also inspects mental health facilities, but those reports are not posted online. You have to file a records request to get these, which we did. FSSA's last inspections at Options were in July 2023 and July 2024. So we anticipate the next round of inspections will be this summer. Kara Kenny, WRTV.
Well, Acadia Healthcare has declined our requests for an interview, but told us, quote, "We understand the trust and responsibility placed in us to uphold the highest standards, and Options continues to serve patients and the community by providing the very latest in evidence-based behavioral health care."